Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Amir and I am your learning buddy. In today's video, we are going to deal with a very complicated topic, that is mixed conditional. What if I tell you to switch from present to past and past to future? It's a bit complicated, isn't it? It's hard to believe. But in today's topic, we are going to deal with such things. So be focused in this video as it can clear all your doubts regarding conditionals. Also make sure that you press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon as well so that you never miss the latest updates. No side talks anymore, let's cut to the chase. Well, before I tell you what are mixed conditionals, I would like to take you on a simple example first. Well, I would say if I had woken up earlier, I wouldn't have missed the bus. Well, you can easily guess it as third conditional. Why? Because it contains past perfect in the if clause and would have and third form of verb in the main clause. But now, what if I change it? What if I change its main clause in a way that I would be in the bus? I would be in the bus. If I had woke up earlier, I would be in the bus. Recall the festival. I wouldn't have missed the bus. But here is something different. I would be in the bus. So here I am mixing the two events. Two time frames are being mixed. One is past and one is present. So past condition and present result. So this is the concept of what you have to deal with today. Now I can hope that you have got the outline of today's topic. Now I'm going to tell you the exact definition of mixed conditional. Before I start talking about this definition, you have to keep one important thing in mind, that is, tense shows us time, but tense is not always equal to time. So tense is not always equal to time. Keep this point in your mind. Now we will talk about this definition. Mixed conditionals combine elements of second and third conditionals, creating a structure where the time frames for the condition and the result are different. Two important points. One, it combines the elements of second and third conditionals. So elements of second and third conditionals are being combined by mixed conditional. Now, this creates a structure. A structure gets formed where the time frames for the condition and the result are different. So the time frames for conditions and the results are different. The time frame for condition will be something and the time frame for the result will be something else. Suppose the time frame for condition will be past and the time frame for the results will be present. So this is the concept. A structure gets created in which the time frame for conditions and the results are different. So two important points are supposed to be kept in mind. That is, combines elements of second and third conditionals. So second and third conditionals are being combined by mixed conditional and results in the formation of a structure where the time frames for the conditions and the results are different. Now, mixed conditionals are of two important types. The first type is present result of a past condition. Well, this type combines past unreal condition with present result, present or ongoing result. If the past condition had been different, the present condition had also been different. For example, I will take the same example which I provided you before the definition of mixed conditionals. If I had woken up earlier, I would be in the bus at the moment. So if I had woken up earlier, I would be in the bus at the moment. If I had woken up earlier, I would be in the bus at the moment. Here is the past unreal condition. I would say I had woken up late and that is why I have missed the bus. But here I am imagining that if I had woken up earlier, this is now an unreal condition. Since I had woken up late, I cannot go in the past and change the past. So I'm imagining this condition. If I had woken up earlier, I would be in the bus at the moment. So if this thing had happened, this thing would happen. Now grab the format from this example. If plus past perfect in the if clause and subject, this subject plus would plus V1 or first form of verb in the man clause. So it's a man clause, we will apply subject plus would plus V1 in man clause. So we can say if this thing had happened in past, this thing would happen in present. So mixing the two different time frames in one sentence and resulting in a structure where the condition is in one time frame and the result is in another time frame. Now we will talk about the second type. Well, the second type is past result of a present condition. So past result of a present condition. Here, the past unreal result is being combined with present or ongoing condition. So we can say if the present condition were different, the past condition would have been different. For example, if you have told me, I would have helped you. If you have called me, I would have helped you. So, past unreal condition is provided in the if clause. Since you haven't called me, so I cannot go back in past and fix my past and tell you in the past to call me and then I can help you. No, that's nonsense. I cannot go in the past. But here I'm imagining. So this is a hypothetical situation that if you have called me, I would have helped you. Here is a present or ongoing result. Now, I will grab the format from this example, but this time the format will be totally different. I'll say if plus present condition in the if clause and subject plus would have plus past participle or V3, third form of verb. Now you will ask me, why did you say present condition in the if clause? Why didn't you say present perfect or past perfect or future perfect in the if clause? It has got a reason. What reason? I'm gonna tell you with an example. If it was raining today, we wouldn't have had a picnic. If it was raining today, we wouldn't have had a picnic. If it was raining today, we wouldn't have had a picnic. Here is the present condition of rain affecting the past result. Here, if it was raining today, let's suppose at this moment it's not raining, but I'm imagining if it was raining. So it becomes present situation. It becomes a present condition. I'm providing a hypothetical condition in present if it was raining today. So we wouldn't have had a picnic. That's why I didn't use a particular tense here. I would have simply said you have to use present perfect in the if clause and would have plus third form of verb in the man clause. That's why I said you have to use if plus present in the if clause and subject plus would have in the man clause. Now let's take some more examples from both the types of mixed conditionals that will help you to understand the concept more easily. Well, here are some examples. If he wasn't injured, he would have played the game. So present act and past result. If you had understood the mixed conditionals, you wouldn't be watching this video. So past action and present result. If you have moved to the city, you wouldn't have been here in the village. So this is the present action and past result. But what if we make it past action and present result? We will say, if you had moved to the city, you wouldn't be here in the village. You wouldn't be here in the village. So these were some more examples related to mixed conditionals. I hope you have understood the concept better now. I understand that this topic is intimidating, but with practice you can make it more easy. I'm gonna meet you in the next video. Until that, stay hard and keep speaking English.